Well, I became a lawyer completely by happenstance. As a child, uh, my family and I traveled extensively, and we lived in Europe for a number of years, and I went to a public French school for 5 years. And of course, being who I am of Asian descent, there's a very international flavor to me. And so I thought it was only natural that I would go into international relations, maybe join the Foreign Service. But as graduation or as graduation from college neared, and I had to begin to think about what I actually wanted to do, a friend of mine happened to mention that she was applying to law school. And I thought, oh, well, that's not a bad idea. Maybe I should do that as well. And so I did. I applied both to international affairs programs for a master's and also to a number of law schools, and I was accepted by both.
Josephine Wang, President and CEO of Securities Investor Protection Corporation, may have stumbled into law, but her 36 years at SIPC is anything but happenstance. Wang is leading the federally created nonprofit charged with protecting investors from unscrupulous broker-dealers. Wang joined SIPC in 1983, was promoted to general counsel in 2004, and appointed CEO in 2019.
So over 36 years to go from a staff attorney to CEO, I don't think anyone would be more surprised than I.
As general counsel, Wang and her legal team at SIPC have gone after the likes of the Lehman Brothers and Bernie Madoff, recovering securities and cash for defrauded investors as quickly as possible.
Our mission, first of all, is to protect customers, investors who entrust their cash and securities, sometimes their life savings, to their broker-dealer. And so on a daily basis, we're dealing with customer issues. We are dealing with enforcing a federal statute that seeks to protect customers. So, that is what guides us, of course, is that federal law.
For Wang, rising to the top of SIPC felt like a natural transition, and her longevity at the organization allowed her to hit the ground running.
Just plowed ahead. I've lived by my own principles, I guess, which are, work as hard as you can, be a person of integrity, respect others, and those basics have, I guess, worked for me.
So what does wellness look like for someone like Wang, who runs an institution with such an important mission as SIPC?
How do I relax? I haven't relaxed for years. I play a lot of tennis. I will go to the occasional yoga class. I do try to meet up with friends. I am with my family. I have taken on trying to learn how to play the piano, which I have to say is extremely challenging and much more difficult than being the CEO and president of an important institution. But I'm determined, and I've given myself 5 years to at least learn the basics of piano, and then I intend to move on to the cello. So I will probably be an orchestra unto myself.